Welcome! This is a part of my 4-part series on adding pro sound in CapCut. I'm building the effect on Krotos Studio Max and then bringing the stems into CapCut so you can follow the exact steps. Today's focus: footsteps and breathing. And now we can just go and put some footstep for that scene here. So very easy, we're gonna go at Krotos Studio Pro and we're gonna search for footstep, and then we're gonna see what kind of footsteps we want. So it's a man with boots because he's a policeman and he's walking on the street. So the first one is perfect. And if we press like this, we hear different sound of steps in every click. So this is supposed to be clean. I don't see any wet down, it's not gritty, so we're more on the clean. So we're just gonna watch the scene, and at the same time whilst he's walking we're gonna do the steps, and we can edit then. Let's start. So now I created the steps and I can go zoom in and we can see the waveform, and then we can go slowly to and find where we want to put each stem of those. My footsteps are now ready, and let's hear the results. Everything is with Krotos Max Boots Urban. And then we're gonna need to add a little bit of movement from his clothes. We can go to the clothes and search. And then we're gonna add this one also here. Another thing that I want to create in this part that is like very scary, I want to add some kind of breathing, heavy breathing. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go to Krotos Studio Pro. Here in the AI, I'm gonna type the breath heavily and scared. So let's see what it's gonna give us. So that's perfect, and I'm gonna drag it